What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to unbox and check out this helping hands. And this is a magnetic helping hands. I'm used to having helping hands because for the long time subscribers out there who probably seen some of my videos with my big remote control cars. So I'm into RC and stuff like that. I haven't done no RCing in a while, you guys. It's been a few years since I've done any RCing, but I plan on going back to doing some RC racing or bashing. I'm more into bashing, but you know, if you're into racing, I do not have no gripes or anything. It's all fun. At the end of the day, we are doing something, and that's what hobbies are for. Let's go ahead and get into it. Right here, the instructions, and this is a thank you letter. I'm gonna go ahead, take it out, and there goes your plate right here. They have a hole right here, so I'm pretty sure you can screw it onto wherever you want to screw it onto. If you want to screw it on your desk. All right, you guys, and here we go. The magnet is right here. Woo! Man, that's strong. Y'all hear that? Oh, that's a strong magnet, you guys. This tool here is nothing to mess around with. Let's put it that way. Magnet right here. Nice. So put it on, and that's how you attach something right there. Put this on, and that's how you attach. Now, cool thing about this is you can pretty much place it anywhere you want to. You're not restricted. All right. And here goes my bag of fun stuff, you guys. All right. I have ECUs. I have motors. When I tell y'all I was into RC, I was really into it. Okay. And I'm ready to get myself back into it. So I have a lot of wires. I even have a whole bag. I have a whole big bag over there full of wires and stuff. So if I need to solder, so you see how these wires are. So I have to solder some wires. So what I need to do is press down, and that's it. You guys, this is the best thing. And if I want to put it there, and let's say I need to, let's see, I don't want to go over there and get another wire. Because if I need to do red to red, so it'll be simple. If I need to do red to red, open it up like that. And then if I need to solder it, there I go. So all I have to do is get my solder. As a matter of fact, let some more out. So this is good, man. Like, this is very easy, especially custom, how you need to put something. So if you just want to do it like that, press down. All you got to do is press down. The grip is good. Press down, grip it on, grip it, and then solder. That's all you have to do, you guys. This helping hands is actually good. All right, you guys. So that is it. If I need to cut wires and solder wires, or let's say you're working on computers, you need to solder something to a chip or something or whatever, the motherboard or however, then, well, I know this, I don't know if that's gonna hold the motherboard or not, but y'all know what I mean. If you're doing anything with computerized small, then this will definitely be the tool for you to use. And that will be it, you guys. Now, I'm not doing no soldering on here, okay? So, you know, it is what it is with that. So, there's many ways that you can do stuff, you guys. But this is a cool tool to have if you are into small electronics, period. All right? And that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. And I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.